Oh, that was amazing. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Texas Fishing Force. I'm Mike, and today I'm out here on the kayak in the marsh doing a little fishing, hoping to chase down some of these redfish. Hopefully one with a tag. The CCA tournament just kicked off, so you find a redfish with a tag and well, you can win a boat and a truck and all kinds of good stuff. So that would be ideal, but either way, out here catching redfish is a good time. So yeah, well, I'm down one camera today. I don't know what's going on with my other GoPro, but it's not working. Will not work at all. So luckily I've got this little handheld, so you can get I can talk directly to the camera without having to swap my camera around over and over again. But it may just be one point of view today. Hopefully I can still get some good footage for you guys. But yeah, we're gonna chase some redfish. The day is moving along, so I better get to casting. Stay tuned. All right, so I am trying out a new rod today. This is the Laguna Custom Rods Lattice Stick. Now, I obviously have the Laguna Liquid Series and the Light Texas Wader 2. And I was in Laguna the other day, and I was speaking with Randy, and we were talking about the differences in rods, and I was telling him how much I love my Light Texas Wader 2. And then he suggested that I try this. This is very similar in power and size when it comes to the overall diameter of this. The weight is similar, but the action is completely different. So I am going to try this out today. I am just going to throw some soft plastics on this and just check it out. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll tell you all about it as I fish with it a little bit more. So far I have made a few casts with it and absolutely love it, but we will see. So let me tell you, if you are ever out and you see birds doing this, really, really low to the water, and they're all hovering together and they're dropping down together, pretty much want to stop whatever you're doing and make your way over there, because that's guaranteed they're chasing a school, most likely redfish. When you see birds that are sitting low in a tight group, it's almost always redfish. When they're higher up in the air and they're dive bombing and they're a little bit more spread out, a lot of times that's trout. So I've been chasing these birds down the shoreline, but they keep moving further and further away. They're finally slowing down and kind of staying in one spot now. So I'm hoping I can get over here before this school moves any further. So that's the game plan. Try to get over here and stay quiet, but yeah, they are moving pretty quick. Got birds here and there. That's just a great sign that there are some good schools of fish rolling through here. Oh, that was amazing. Oh my God. I don't think I've seen a redfish come out the water like that. Wow. Well, that confirms it. There we go. There's one. Doesn't seem very big, but we got one. Well, he might be a little bigger than I thought. All right, I'm just gonna drop the old power pole. Get my net ready. Yeah, nice pretty old redfish. Caught on Texas roach down south lures. Some good looking redfish there. Gonna measure him real quick, try to get him back in the water, but I want to get back on this school over here. $21.5. Good looking redfish. Oh, go back to your friends. Well, I gotta get to moving. These redfish are on the move today. And we're only in like a few inches of water here. So I can't even pedal. Flounder? That's not what I was looking for, but. All right, so I do want to give you my initial thoughts on the Laguna Custom Rods lattice stick. I love it. I absolutely love it. It does feel similar to the light Texas wader. The weight is about the same, you know, but this is way more sensitive. Way more sensitive. The action of this is completely different. This rod, for me, is absolutely perfect for throwing pretty much any of your soft plastics, any of your jig heads. The Light Texas Wader 2, in case you guys don't know, that is really one of those rods that a lot of people kind of say that it is the all-around rod. You can throw, you know, really light soft plastics, and you can go all the way up to corkies and some of your heavier topwaters, and that rod, you know, kind of does it all. This, on the other hand, is really fine-tuned and geared for your lighter lures, your lighter jig heads, and it really, I mean, it's noticeable. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I had a good day today. You know, it was a little bit slower at times, but all in all, a lot of fun. It's always great to come out here and catch redfish. But that is it. I'm gonna start heading back, load up the truck, and head on home. I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment below, and we'll see you next time.